nobility of character, Christian training, religious experience, we are in debt to those less favored. And so far as lies in our power, we are to minister unto them. If we are strong, we are to stay up the hands of the weak. We are very fortunate, mga kapatid, that we have all the capabilities, you have all the learning that you can obtain in this institution, mga kapatid. But never forget that the science of all sciences is what? I read that in your room. It's the science of soul winning. It's the science of saving men and bringing them to the feet of Jesus Christ. You can know about all anatomies. You can know about all physiologies. But whenever you forget about the science of all sciences, those sciences are what? Ano yun? Baliwala mga kapatid, yung mga sciences na yun. Unless we learn about the science of all sciences. Many fields ripe for the harvest have not yet been entered because of our lack of self-sacrificing helpers. Anong kulang mga kapatid? Self-sacrificing helpers. Whenever we will be having plenty of self-sacrificing helpers, of course, we can have an answer to these fields who are ripe for harvest, and we can enter into these places. These fields must be entered, and many laborers should go to them with the expectation of bearing their own expenses. Medyo mabigat yata ito mga kapatid, di ba? Bearing their own expenses. Mga kapatid, but remember, yung ating pong mga ginagastos, it is not our money. It is not your property. It is the Lord who give you a strength in order for you to produce a money. And let's see to it, we'll be using it for the expense of saving lost souls in this world. We are encountering problems at this point of time, mga kapatid. As medical missionaries, though we have seen the improvement, though we have seen the water is increasing and the plenty of workers that have come in our training and join, still we are still encountering some problems. I'll give you an example of the problem. HCBN, have you heard about that? His Coming Broadcasting Network at Iloilo. They want 2 medical missionaries to be deployed at Kota Kinabalu, Malaysia. We've been receiving phone calls at Cagayan. They need 2 medical missionaries to do groundwork. Also, the same request that was coming in Mindoro. We have also a couple from Isabela who is requesting for a medical missionary work. And at the same time, we will be having a school by next year. Starting January to June and July to December, we'll be having 2 6-month courses. And of course, that will be continuing up to 2011 and 2012. We'll be continuing schools, mga kapatid. We will be training and doing a lot of training for medical missionaries. We will not be having 1-month school in Nueva Era. We'll be having one in Aurora. Pastor Brian is coordinating with us. And we are also planning to establish 2 more in Central Philippines and also in South Philippines. Because we have 3 unions in our Philippine Archipelago, right? North Philippine Union Conference, Central Philippine, and the Southern Philippine Union Conferences, mga kapatid. If we will be looking at our volunteers, we cannot do it. We need more trainees. We need more medical missionary workers to fill in this gap, mga kapatid, that the world is yearning for.